what do the settings mean on your Makita cordless drill? So I'm going to help you out. First we have this ring here, which is the clutch, and it's only ever activated when we're in one of these modes, and the mode is the screw mode here. So once we're in screw mode here, as you can see, this little arrow indicates we're in it. The clutch here is activated. Now what's the clutch? Say you're doing some screws, so we go from 1 all the way up to 20, but let's keep it in 1 because this means the clutch is very light. So you're screwing, you hit resistance, let's close that up. So you're screwing, you hit resistance, and the clutch kicks in and stops any bit from working. So if you're drilling into some wood, you hit that resistance, it will then stop drilling because the clutch is kicked in. And as you go up, you need to put more force on the actual chuck to stop the bit from moving and the clutch to kick in. So I'll try. That's took a lot more force to grip the chuck here to stop the bit from moving, and this is ideal if you don't want to overdrive into anything. So that's the drill mode, and that activates your clutch on your Makita drill. So 1 is very light, and 20 takes a lot more pressure on the chuck to stop the drill bit from moving by kicking in the clutch. Next we have the drill mode. Now the drill mode activates the full force of your Makita cordless drill. So this allows you to drive things very deep and no clutch will kick in when you're in this mode. Then you have the hammer mode. Now never use the hammer mode on things like plasterboard or anything like that, because what the hammer mode does, it actually adds a little vibration into the chuck to help you drive into brick, concrete, and things like that. Then we have these settings here at the back. Mode 2, and when you flick it back, mode 1. And what speed 1 gives us is that when we press the trigger, it moves slower. However, it gives you more torque. So if we're in drill mode here, we've got the full torque of the Makita drill plus the extra force of mode 1. But your chuck here and the bit what's in it will spin a little slower. However, if you want less torque, you want speed 2, but your chuck will spin a lot quicker, spinning your bit much quicker. This is ideal for drilling pilot holes and things like that, but if you want more torque, so you're drilling into concrete or things like that, you want speed 1 for the more torque of the Makita drill. Hopefully that all helps you out what these settings actually mean on your Makita cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.